In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmerge cells in Google Sheets. If you've ever merged cells to create a header or tidy up a layout, you might later need to split them back into individual cells. Unmerging is simple, and knowing exactly where to click will help you avoid losing formatting or misplacing your data. One quick note before we start. When you unmerge, the content that was in the merged area stays in the top left cell, and the other cells become empty again. That's the expected behavior, so don't be surprised when you see it. First, open your web browser and go to Google's homepage. At the top right, look for the grid of small dots, often called the App Launcher or waffle icon. Click it to open Google's App menu. From there, choose Google Sheets to launch the Spreadsheet app. Once Sheets is open, pick the document you want to work on. You can select it from your recent files, search for it, or navigate through your Drive folders. Make sure you have edit access. You'll need that to make changes to the cells. Now find the merged cells you want to split. Click and drag to highlight the merged area. If you have several merged regions you want to unmerge at once, you can select a larger range that contains all of them, and Google Sheets will apply the change everywhere in that selection. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting exactly what you intend to unmerge, especially if your sheet has multiple merged headers or sections. With the cells highlighted, look up to the toolbar. Find the Merge icon. It looks like overlapping rectangles and may already show a small drop-down arrow. Click that icon to reveal the merge options. From the menu that appears, choose Unmerge. Instantly, your selection will split back into individual cells. The text, number, or formula that was visible before will remain in the upper left cell of the original merged block, and the rest of the cells will be cleared, ready for their own values if you need them. If your layout shifts a bit after unmerging, adjust column widths or alignment to restore the look you want. And if the toolbar is crowded on a smaller screen, remember you can access the same Unmerge option from the menu bar at the top under Format, then Merge Cells. That's it. You've successfully unmerged your cells, preserved your data, and set yourself up for cleaner sorting, filtering, and formatting. If something doesn't look right, use Undo to step back and try again with a more precise selection.